Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move iPhone a little lower or a little higher while setting up Face ID on your iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to set up your Face ID on your iPhone but you're facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that, simply watch this video till the end. So the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply gently clean the front camera of your iPhone. So I simply clean the camera of your iPhone and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, then you have to go for the next solution. That is, you have to remove the protector or the glass protector of your iPhone screen. So as if you have applied any protector on your screen of your iPhone, you have to simply remove it to fix this problem. So guys, remove the protector and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution. That is, open settings in your device, and from here you have to scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. And after this, go back and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset and reset all settings of your iPhone and check if the problem has been fixed or not. So if you are still facing this problem, then you have to go to any service shop for checking your depth camera on your iPhone. So after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.